This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Macklin. The ultimate in-law suite or indulging first floor primary bedroom. This wing of the house has a huge bedroom, sitting area, wet bar/mini fridge, microwave, laundry, ensuite bathroom west/roll and tiled shower, large walk-in closet west/built-in ironing center and its own private exit onto the deck. An age and in-place design. Hardwood floors throughout the living area on the main house, beautiful kitchen cabinets, center island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, exits onto a screened-in porch, deck and patio. Second floor primary bedroom west/ensuite bathroom, 3 additional bedrooms plus bonus room. Located in the community of Running Man and Tabb schools. For more information